Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to activate your AU Bank's debit card. You can activate your AU Bank's debit card through ATM or AU Bank's mobile application or with your internet banking. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your debit card using the internet banking. If you want to do it by visiting ATM, you can visit any ATM for AU Bank and insert your debit card and follow the on-screen instructions. If you want to go ahead and do it online, you can simply open up a web browser and type in aubank.in and press enter on your keyboard to end up on the official website. Soon after you end up in the official website of AU Bank, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right hand corner. Select the net banking option from the menu and then go ahead and enter your username and your password for your online banking account for AU Bank. You can then choose where you would like to end up directly after logging in and then enter the CAPTCHA displayed right beneath. Finally, click on the login button and you will be logged into your online banking account, from where you can simply navigate to the section for debit card or card services and follow the instructions provided to activate your card. It will involve entering your card details and other personal information for verification. Simply follow through the prompts till the end and then you will be able to activate your debit card for AU Bank. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.